Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Manish and I welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, we're going to see the new look of the Gmail on our Android phone. And again, in the later part of the video, we're going to find out that what kind of new updates have been came in the Google Maps. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So first, let's see what are the new updates in our Gmail app, and let's straight go into our Gmail app on the Android phone.
So this is my Android phone, and let me just show you quick to my Gmail, which I am getting it right now. So once you update your phone with the new Gmail app, you will get this notification that welcome, your favorite email has a fresh new look. You need to press next and you need to choose a view. Default view will give you an attachment like this. Then what kind of attachments are you using, or what kind of attachment you are receiving right now. If you choose comfortable, it will show just an attachment icon and nothing else will show. If you choose compact, it will be just showing up the message only. Right now I will choose compact, and see, with the compact all my look has been changed. And let me just go to settings over here and show you. If I go to settings over here, if I press general settings, over here you can see that what kind of swipe action I want. If I do a left swipe, what does it mean? And if I do a right swipe, what does it mean? It is very helpful and useful when you want to reply to a message, when you want to delete to a message. So let me just change a left, and if I choose left, it will do a delete option. Here are other things that if you want to open web links in Gmail only, or if you want to open this into other Chrome or any other extension. Here's your conversion list density. If you want to change it to comfortable, you can change it to comfortable from over here as well. So I change it to comfortable, and see, all these things have changed. Now if I want to do a left swipe, I can do easily like this, and my message will be deleted. It also shows me that you can undo this section by typing over here, I don't want it. So you can do easily a left swipe on your phone to delete a permanent message. Because earlier what we used to do, we used to select like this, 1, 2, 3 and press delete option. Now with this left swipe, I can do easily like this. So very helpful feature in this.
So now let's go to our Google Maps and let's see what kind of new updates or tricks are there on the Google Map.
Now let me just show you quick about the maps. Again, you need to go to Google over here, and once into Google, you need to press maps. Once into maps, it will ask you that where you want to go. Suppose I want to go to Lal Killa. So it's showing me the current route, the best route according to the current time. And if I want to leave, let's suppose after approximately about 1 hour or 2 hours, then what will be the right traffic condition? So for that you need to press these 3 dots over here. You have route options here, you have set a depart and arrive time. So I will share that I want to leave approximately about 4 hours later. And you can see that time has been changed, typically between 26 to 45. According to historic data, it's showing me that what is the current time, or what will be the best time that I can reach to my destination if I leave after 4 hours. So one of the best options is that share your location. Once you press this share your location, it will ask that how many hours or minutes you want to share your location, and with context. And whichever context you want to share, you can share it via the WhatsApp, via the Facebook, or via the message. One is again is your share your location, one is share direction as well. Once press share direction, it will ask that from which app you want to share your directions to other users, whether it is through the WhatsApp, whether it is through Facebook, whether it is through Gmail. So many hidden features are over here. Even this have a route options. So it will ask you that if you want to avoid tolls, you want to ferries, or you want to avoid motorways. All that can be done with the help of the Google Maps. Even in this app, you can change your language as well. That video I will make in the later part of the week.
So that's all the new update about the Google Maps and about the Gmail on our Android phone. Do let me know in the comment below that which kind of tips, tricks or new update you like on your Android phone. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you in the next video.